Dear Yule Tomte, my mommy told me that you are one of the powerful scientists in the world. If it's true, please fulfill my dream and return back my relatives who have settled in Sweden just a year but don't want to come back anymore. My aunt doesn't want to come back because, as she said, Sweden is the best place for her hobby, for gardening. My cousin no longer imagines his life without meatballs and fika. What about my grandma? She becomes a great fan of Swedish healthy lifestyle and feels herself younger than ever. Yes, dear Tomte, you have a lot of advantages in Sweden that I want to see in Armenia, but I know it will be very hard to mix all of them into our daily life. So please, do just one magic and reunite my family in my birthday, as you do it in Sweden during Christmas and other holidays. If you will fulfill my dream, I promise to become your elf into my next life.